Welcome to today's tutorial on how to merge your videos using Yuzzit. If you are looking to compile a series of clips into a highlight reel, Yuzzit is your go-to solution. Let's dive right in. To merge your videos in Yuzzit, you can use the mashup function, but before that you will need to create the videos that will make up your best of or zapping. With Yuzzit, you can trim the highlights in real time during the broadcast without even waiting for your live stream to end, or you can directly upload them to your library. After successfully creating your videos or importing them, select the mashup option in the Yuzzit main menu. You can choose to create a new mashup or continue an existing one. We'll create a new one. Then select the clips in the library and drag it onto the timeline. Add all the sequences that will make up your videos. From the timeline, you can adjust the length of each video by clicking on this icon. You can trim your video just like this, or crop them directly from here. We'll just have to click on OK for our video to be trimmed. You can then add transition effect between each video by choosing one of those transitions. Once your customization is complete, you will just have to name your video. Here, you can preview it before generating it just by clicking on this button, and you can choose the resolution of your final video. We'll put it on max and click on generate mashup. And you will just have to wait for your mashup to be generated. Once our mashup is generated, we will find it directly in the library. You can select it and we can customize it, trim it, or share it directly to social media by choosing a destination just right here. And there you have it. You know how to merge your videos using Yuzzit. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.